Hi, I'm Jeff Tucker, Principal Economist at Windermere Real Estate, here with a special message about the housing market impact of the Spokane fires. First and foremost, the destruction of nearly 1,000 homes is a community tragedy. The biggest impact of the fires is the sudden disruption those thousands of people now face. I don't want to lose sight of that human story. Now, while we don't have a crystal ball to know how this will affect Spokane's housing market for sure, we can make some predictions based on how markets reacted in the aftermath of previous fires like those in California over the last several years. In the near term, there will almost certainly be a jump in demand for homes to rent, as several hundred families are now looking for a place to stay, at least while they decide what to do next. This sudden spike in demand could lead to a shortage of rentals. As of August 10th, there were fewer than 400 houses available for rent on some online platforms in Spokane County, although closer to 3,000 available rental listings when you include apartments. Hopefully, the community will continue to open their doors to impacted and displaced residents so they have a place to stay. In the medium run, these fires are likely to tighten up the for-sale housing market, as many of those displaced people look to buy a home to move into. 900 homes is more than the number of houses sold in Spokane County in any single recent month. That figure has been around 600 to 700, even in the peak summer sales months. Now, in some cases, like the Tubbs fire in Santa Rosa, California, that acute shortage of homes after a fire can cause prices to climb faster in the short run. Now, as demolition, cleanup, and rebuilding get underway in the affected neighborhoods, I expect Spokane will see strong demand for contractors and workers in the building trades. Ultimately, I expect most of the homes to be rebuilt, and in the long run, the evidence from previous fires, like the Tubbs fire, like the Palisades and Eaton fires in Southern California, actually shows that fires don't usually cause major changes in home value trends. Housing markets, like people, are more resilient than we usually give them credit for.